Hi everyone. Today we have with us Riddhi, All India Rank 327 in CLAT 2026. Riddhi was part of our retakers batch, and Riddhi always believed in don't lose hope, and this is what actually worked for her. Huge congratulations, Riddhi.
Thank you, ma'am.
How's the feeling? कैसा लग रहा है?
Great. It's just a dream come true. I think last year I felt that maybe I am not made for NLUs, but I proved everyone wrong, even myself, that I can be an NLU achiever. So,
No,
yeah.
definitely. And we are super, super proud of you. You've finally come out of flying colors. So that's great. So, Riddhi, tell us about your success recipe. One that. Also, you'd seen the paper one.
Yes.
So, any benefit or advantage of that paper पहले देख चुके थे आप while you,
Yes.
retake it
Yes, ma'am.
again. So, let us know about that.
Definitely, it was a lot of help because when you first see a paper, then you know that it's going to be similar to what you have seen in last year.
Correct.
So there was lot of less stress, though it was more stress. मतलब
Stress तो चलता ही रहता है,
हाँ,
part of life.
but still I was a lot calmer this time. So that's why I think I achieved what I achieved this year and not the last year.
So staying calm is the key.
Yes,
इस बार ये calm रही and
definitely.
look, the result is here. Okay, so how important is mock? How important are mocks in the entire process? You used to take all the mocks, कभी miss नहीं करा है, that I remember for
I
sure.
would give a suggestion. This was a strategy that I followed. Since July, I used to give one mock each day. So
Okay.
till November, I gave like one mock each day. So that was the practice I used to do of the questions, GK, quants, and reading comprehensions. So I think that helped me a lot.
Practice
Yeah.
makes the man perfect. Absolutely. So, Riti, you were good in maths. You were very good in maths,
Yes.
and that obviously is a मतलब वो एक marks को improve मतलब like marks contribution में उसका बड़ा role है. So, please let us know how important is the subject of maths in the entire CLAT and A-Let preparation. And why should one not ignore the importance of maths? Because often
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चे ignore कर देते हैं ना कि maths है
हाँ जी.
ठीक है 10%. Why should you not ignore maths?
Ma'am, I think maths is your rank predictor, if I'm using the right word. That if you leave the maths, then I think your score will drop to 80s or 90 to 95 range, not 95 to 100 or even more than that. Maths plays a very vital role in CLAT paper. So definitely my maths was good since I was fifth or in sixth standard.
बचपन से मैथ्स
हाँ,
अच्छी है
I
हेल्प
have
करा उस चीज में
one of my favorite subjects
ओह
actually.
नाइस
I even took maths with humanities, so
ये
that's
अक्सर
the
कम बच्चों से सुनते हैं ना कि मैथ्स विद ह्यूमैनिटीज
that's the
मैथ्स
kind of
फेल
love I have for
ओह
maths.
वाओ
So
वाओ
I got perfect score in CLAT 2026 as well in maths quant section. So
एंड मैथ्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर मैथ्स वी आर
yeah,
नॉट सेइंग कि रिद्धि की तरह मैथ्स से बिल्कुल ही प्यार कर लो बट मैथ्स को
but
इग्नोर
maths,
करके तो
maths is important. मतलब, if you want to achieve top 5 NLUs, then it is definitely important.
definitely important correct which subject did you face the most difficulty in सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल किस में आई
Ma'am, it could vary for everyone, but for me it was always English. I felt maybe because I attempted English in last, so I was having a limited amount of time for maths. Sorry, English every single time when I attempted my mocks. So I even tried to change the sequence to see that if it was the time that was causing me to lose marks in English, or was it my basic requirements or
correct
the skills that I need to read the passages. But yeah, then I figured that it was just the time that was
Okay.
making me. So I changed my strategy. Then I used to attempt English second last, and I used to attempt quants at the end. So that helped me improve my marks from 90 or 89 range to 95 plus.
Okay, great. So it's very important that you do not get overconfident with the subject you love and do not ignore your area of improvement. अक्सर हम जो हमारा area of improvement है या so called weak section, weak बोलना बहुत सही नहीं होगा, area of improvement section ignore करते हैं,
Yes,
दूर
ma'am.
भागते हैं, हमें वो नहीं
नहीं
करना
करना
है. So ये बहुत important चीज़ है. Newspapers, GK as a subject is vast and every day it's getting built up.
Yes, ma'am.
Could you please highlight on the importance of reading newspaper? कितना important है? कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर आप सजेस्ट करोगे कैसे पढ़ते थे एवरीथिंग
Ma'am, I think newspapers, not only for GK, but to practice yourself reading so much while you are attempting a paper of 2 hours where everything is about reading. So you need to practice a lot of reading to conquer the paper, I will say. So I used to read Hindu. I will
The Hindu,
suggest
okay.
you can read any. Indian Express is also good. Hindu is also good, but I feel Hindu has a lot of complex English, so that would help you improve. My weakness has always been when there is complex English passages, I used to get stuck in them. So I thought of doing reading them regularly
And
in
paper
Hindi.
was all about English. Paper
Yeah.
is English, है ना? GK maths को हटा दे जो knowledge based है, paper English.
Ma'am, I think even GK and quants are English only because quants may be sometimes it's tougher English in quants, and students used to get confused. For example, in the LR section of this year's paper, there was a word in the electrograph passage जो आया था इस बार. Then there was a word where P was supposed to be in the starting, but they had written it in some other language.
Other language, तो वो भी English का
हाँ,
involvement हो गया.
interpretation.
So interpretation. So Riddhi suggests the Hindu or the Indian Express. If you you have to read newspaper.
हाँ.
You do not have an option, and it doesn't only help you with GK, but with speed reading, which the paper is all about, dealing with implied
Yes.
interpretation-based questions. So please do read newspapers. Do not miss it out at any cost. क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगी रिद्धि जो सारे लोग देख रहे हैं और जिन सारे लोगों ने ट्राई करा बट शायद वो वहां नहीं पहुंच पाए बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स कॉम्पिटिशन एंड आपने पहले ही बताया दैट नेवर लूज होप एंड यू ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन दैट सेइंग तो क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हो टू ऑल द लॉ एस्पिरेंट्स हु ट्राइंग बट आर नॉट गेटिंग देयर तो क्या मैसेज है उनके लिए
कि अब I attempted it last year as well but didn't got in, and this year I am in. So if I can do it, anyone can do it. So just believe in yourself and never lose hope that you can't do what you want to do. If you want to do, you will do it. Just believe in yourself.
So Riddhi had always been a very disciplined, focused, stress लेती रहती थी. I think वो part और उसको push करना पड़ता. Riddhi it's okay, हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा. In fact, even last कुछ exam से days पहले मैम अभी बिल्कुल सब कुछ. But then eventually, like she very rightly said, do not give up, believe in yourself. Trust the process. Process है, trust करो, and you'll surely come out of flying colors.
One thing I would like
Yeah,
to add,
please.
that surround yourself with people that support you, that really care for you. For example, my parents, my elder brother, then all the faculty of Career Launcher, and Himanshu sir. Everyone has always been really supportive and just pushing me to just believe in myself. If I say that don't lose hope, they made me believe that I shouldn't lose hope.
Oh wow, so nice. मतलब ये कितनी अच्छी बात है. Surround yourself by people who support you, who believe in you, and positive vibes यार. मतलब नहीं चाहिए हमें negative और toxic people. Already बहुत है. Stress से एक question, कैसे deal करा stress से? क्योंकि होता तो था और होना बहुत natural और normal है. कैसे deal?
If अगर मैं थोड़ा पास में जाऊँ तो last year के paper में भी मुझे stress हुआ था, and that was one of the reasons शायद मैं इतना अच्छा perform नहीं कर पाई थी. स्ट्रेस मेरे लिए हमेशा से एक प्रॉब्लम ही रहा है क्योंकि आई रियली गेट ओवर एक्साइटेड बाय द थिंग्स एंड दे ओवरवेलम मी अ लॉट. सो बहुत टीचर्स मदद करते थे कि यू नो इफ यू आर फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम वी आर देयर फॉर यू, एंड जब भी प्रॉब्लम है मैसेजर्स कॉलर्स वी आर हियर एट सेंटर, यू कैन कम टू अस. तो स्ट्रेस से मेरे हिसाब से आई थिंक माय पेरेंट्स, माय ब्रदर, और जो जैसे मैंने कहा कि जो पीपल आपके अराउंड होते हैं वो आपको हेल्प करते हैं टू combat your stress. So if I would have been alone, then I don't think I could have achieved what I have achieved.
Surround yourself by people who.
Yes.
So आपके भाई का जिक्र दो बार हो चुका है. What does he do?
He's doing BTech from IIIT Kota, computer science.
Great. Looks like he's your inspiration.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great to see the sibling bond. Very, very nice. One last question to you, Riddhi. Role of Career Launcher in the entire process in your
like I mentioned, ma'am, I think if I am a contributor to my success, more than me, the contributor to my success would be Career Launcher. All the faculty, my friends here, everyone just been there for me in every possible way. I would say ki, whether it's studies or emotional support, any kind of support, they were always there for me. And faculty is really on the ground for you, that if you need anything for its doubt, suggestions, or emotional support, anything, they are just there for you every single time. So I never felt that, oh, अब मैं किसके पास जाऊँ, no one is there for me. Never. There were always someone there for me, always.
And you also had good set of friends also. So very important to make friends यार. मतलब
हाँ.
they are in the same shoes as you are. तो उनसे
Coaching
ज़्यादा
में-
अच्छे से I think problem नहीं कोई.
हाँ.
साथ में पढ़ना करना
हाँ,
process का
coaching
part
में
होना.
you
It's nice. No?
इससे फिर एक वो हो जाता है कि you know you're not alone in this preparation. जैसे
You're not alone से I am reminded of Himanshu's जो हमने last session करा था where he had come up with that title जो last में stress buster session नहीं
हाँ,
करा था
हाँ,
Zoom. You're not alone. So I was reminded of Himanshu's caption.
हाँ,
Yeah,
तो-
but then yeah, you're not alone. Friends रहते हैं तो
वो एक रहता है कि अच्छा ये भी कर रहा है, ये भी कर रहा है, तो एक कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट भी बनी रहती है एंड एट द सेम टाइम आप विश करते हो कि सबका हो जाए एंड यू गाइस स्टे टुगेदर.
Oh wow. No, you guys will, as it is, stay together, irrespective of the same college or different college. So great talking to you, Riddhi. We are super proud of you. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you. We would also like to welcome Riddhi's parents who are here with us, and the success is truly theirs. Huge congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
Huge congratulations, ma'am. How's the feeling? कैसा लग रहा है?
First of all, thank you very much to entire team of Career Launcher. They have done a very good job and definitely ये तो है ही है superstar.
रिद्धि तो है, हम तो सिर्फ गाइडिंग लाइट थे, but
Thank you very much
करना.
to all of you.
मैम कैसा लग रहा है आपको? How's the
It's a
feeling?
very nice experience as my daughter is repeating this year. But the motivation we get from all of you, it's really
Amazing.
up to the mark now.
Thank
Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Riddhi, all the best. We're proud of you. Once CLI, always a CLI. Doors हमेशा खुले हैं, कभी भी आओ. And I'm sure you'll rock in your law college. Thank you so much. Congratulations again. Thank you.
Thank you.